Friends, this is Prashant. It's been a while since I actually did a video, and I'm so sorry that I was away. Life had quite a few things that I had to take care of. So, anyways, I'm back. I am back with a unboxing video and with a review as well. So, here's the box. I have torn it open just to make it fast, and here it is. So this is something I got from a seller, a private seller, and this is the box. Very beautiful and decorated box, looks like a gift. And here we go. So inside there is some polythene to protect it, there is foam, and here we go. So I'm also seeing it first hand now. Okay, so here it is. It is HMT Jubilee. HMT Jubilee with a graphic dial. If you see, it's got a dotted kind of a surface. I'll try and show you from close proximity. I hope you can see it now. So I'll also review a Jubilee watch today. To get into the history of HMT Jubilee, HMT had issued Janata watches, and there was a lot of demand from people at that point of time, or so I heard, that they wanted a watch with Roman numerals and Arabic numerals and all. So HMT released a watch called Jubilee. Now this watch was released after completing, when HMT completed 25 years of its service to the nation. At that point of time, the one that had a plain dial like this one, and it had 25 mentioned on the dial. Okay, HMT re-released this watch in I think 2011 or 13, 2011-12, when HMT completed 50 years. So yeah, it was 2012. So how would I actually know that? 5 is the case number, 112 is the year, 005 is the code for the factory, which is 005 is HMT Rani Bagh. If you see 004, that is Tumkur factory, 04. 03 is Chinar factory, which is in Jammu Kashmir. 01 and 02 are Bangalore factories. So getting back to Jubilee. So this is a Sunburst Jubilee dial. Okay, and it was released, or rather I would say re-released, in the year 2012. Beautiful watch. It was my fourth watch, to be honest with you. This was on my list for quite some time. I was not able to find it in Bangalore, and finally I came across this piece in Mumbai. I asked a friend of mine to pick it up for me, and he very graciously agreed to my request and brought it for me. So that's how I got this watch. Now I have another Roman numeral watch like this one. Okay, now if you see, this one has a slight patina on the dial. When I say patina, I mean the dial has actually aged. If you see towards the outer edge, you will see the dial losing its color. The color is changing on the dial. Yeah, and you see some of the dial giving away on the edges, and that's very regular on HMT Jubilee dials. They tend to wear off. Here also you would see between 10 and 12 that there are some light scratches and similar things. So this is how it would look after it has aged. And then the very next question is, why do I have two of them? Simple reason, I wanted one to be in absolutely mint condition like this one, and I wanted another one which I already have, and which was aged. I might actually sell it off one day, but yeah. So I have got two beautiful examples over here now, thanks to one seller in Delhi. I would leave the details in the comments, so you can reach out for any purchases from him. So you can hear the sound of winding, and you will see the watch starting, so well. And this is a watch which is quite old, if you see. So this is that. And I have another example of Jubilee, which is again the dotted version with the Roman numerals. Now you can see again, this is very similar to this watch as far as dial design is concerned, but this one has Breguet type Arabic numerals, and this has Roman numerals. So this is a very beautiful watch, and I would really recommend this to be added to, if you are an HMT collector or an enthusiast, I'm sure you would love this watch. So yeah, so this is what it is, and I hope you would have loved this. I hope this particular video is helpful to you. If you need any further information about Jubilee, other than asking where you can find it, you can put it in the comments. As always, your comments are really valued. It's just that I'm away most of the time because of work, and I'm not able to reply to them on time. So please don't think that I'm not interested. It's just that I have the paucity of time. So putting all three of them together, in my hand, these are three beautiful examples of HMT Jubilee watches, and amazing stuff that HMT has done. These watches are timeless. The appeal of this watch then and the appeal of this watch now hasn't changed at all. So another thing that I would like to highlight is the crown on this one. This is the domed crown which is there, and which makes it very easy to wind. Yeah. So, and if you see, 73 is the year of manufacture. As I said, 01 is the factory code, and 14 is the case, probably when it was manufactured at that point of time. So amazing stuff. You can play around with a lot of strap combination. It goes really good with brown, tan, black straps are always very appealing on this watch. So that was all that I thought of sharing with you, and till the time we meet next time, keep ticking, keep talking. Goodbye. Jai Hind.